Hello, I'm Leslie Lee, and I've been a member of the church congregation for probably 20-some years. And this year, I'm the chair of the team that is raising the money for annual giving to support all of the wonderful work of our church. The annual campaign supports all that we love about our church. The sermons that energize our thinking, the music that inspires us, the church school that is giving our kids an exciting new curriculum of faith education, online services and podcasts that reach out to people at home and in far-flung places, reading groups, couple groups, personal spiritual exploration, and outreach support to at-home members of the congregation and to neighbors and to newcomers. Maintenance of the building and the landscape of our beautiful campus, our new solar panels bringing God's light into our sanctuary, and most importantly, all of the incredible staff that make our church vibrant. I agreed to chair the annual giving campaign this year for the second time, partly because I'd had such a great time working with the staff and the board members who are all part of the team to help raise support for our church. Also because last year we had a special component of raising money for the solarization of our campus. The second reason was because light was the beginning of creation, the very first act, but the Spirit did not stop there. Through the generosity of our givers last year, we now have the solar panels working and God's light radiating through our sanctuary. So it seemed to me that following the Spirit, we had to continue our creation of our church as a caregiver, both for people and for our beautiful and fragile world. As we put the pandemic behind us, we launched this fall into a festive Celebration Sunday service. The sanctuary is filling. We are welcoming new members with an orientation this month led by Ed and Shannon. Our soloists are back and our choir is restarting. We recently hosted a concert to benefit Ukrainian refugees that raised over $16,000, and we have helped resettle 42 Afghan refugees in our area. Thanks to Lizzie Sid, our coordinator of Christian education, we have an exciting new value-based curriculum for our children. Our Let's Talk About Guns group is exploring ways to address gun violence. And our sanctuary was currently featured in Greenwich Magazine's special edition, Welcome to Greenwich. We are planning an Advent workshop coming up, and of course, the best Christmas pageant ever. Last year, we asked for your support for the annual giving and an important new component, the solarization of our campus. And today, 280 solar panels have been installed and are working, bringing God's light into our sanctuary. We have paid off, thanks to your generosity, the first installment of our 8-year lease, and we will continue with your help to do that until the end of the lease, at which point we will own the panels outright. They last for 25 to 30 years, so after 8 years, we will have abundant free light in our sanctuaries. The good news is that the savings that we will get from that free solar energy will help to lower our electric bills, and that decrease will lower the amount of donated money that has to go towards those bills and enable it to be used for all of the other wonderful work of our church. Giving is a funny two-way street. Giving helps support the church that we love and all of its good works, but it also makes you feel good. It puts sunshine in your heart. So I ask you to give with big-hearted generosity and feel the sunshine of your love for your church warming you. We would welcome your support. The easiest way to do that is to go to our website, roundhillcommunitychurch.org, and click on the bright yellow sun that says donate. Thank you.